This video covers Coinbase versus Fidelity, comparing which investment platform wins. Choosing the right platform can completely change how you grow your portfolio without facing complex fees or limited asset options. We'll look at both crypto-focused Coinbase and traditional Fidelity. Coinbase and Fidelity are popular investment platforms but serve different needs. Coinbase specializes in cryptocurrency trading and digital assets, while Fidelity focuses on traditional stocks, bonds, and retirement accounts. The core difference lies in asset variety and investment focus. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet platform designed for buying, selling, and managing digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It operates by connecting users to a secure marketplace where they can trade crypto assets with ease. Coinbase's strengths include a user-friendly interface, strong security protocols, and access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It also offers educational resources and advanced trading tools for experienced users. However, Coinbase charges relatively higher fees compared to some competitors, and its focus is limited to digital currencies, so may not suit investors looking for traditional assets. Ideal users are those interested in cryptocurrency trading or diversifying into digital assets, from beginners to active traders who value security and liquidity. For anyone primarily invested in crypto or wanting to explore this space, Coinbase provides a comprehensive and trusted environment. Fidelity is a full-service brokerage platform offering access to stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. It works by providing a comprehensive investment ecosystem with research tools, portfolio management, and financial planning services. Fidelity's strengths lie in its broad asset coverage, low trading fees for stocks and ETFs, and excellent customer support. It also offers robust retirement planning options and educational content, making it a strong choice for long-term investors. However, Fidelity does not support cryptocurrency trading directly, which limits options for investors looking to enter the digital asset space. Ideal users are those focused on traditional investments, retirement savings, and diversified portfolios. Fidelity is well suited for investors seeking a trusted platform with extensive resources for building wealth over time without exposure to crypto volatility. Comparing Coinbase and Fidelity highlights key trade-offs. Coinbase excels in cryptocurrency access, ideal for investors wanting to trade or hold digital assets, but it comes with higher fees and lacks traditional investment options. Fidelity offers a wide range of traditional investments with low fees and strong retirement tools, but excludes cryptocurrencies. For example, a user focused on long-term stock growth and retirement planning will benefit more from Fidelity's diversified offerings and educational support. Conversely, an investor aiming to capitalize on crypto markets or diversify into digital currencies will find Coinbase's platform more aligned with their goals. Both platforms offer strong security, but their asset focus defines their best use cases. Choosing between them depends on whether your strategy prioritizes crypto or traditional investments. Choose Coinbase if your priority is cryptocurrency trading and digital asset management, with a secure, user-friendly platform designed specifically for crypto investors. Fidelity is the better choice for traditional investors seeking diversified portfolios, retirement planning, and low-cost trading. For most long-term investors focused on stocks and bonds, Fidelity offers the tools and resources needed to build wealth confidently and efficiently.